Hello, my name is Julia Zumpano. I'm a registered dietitian for the Center of Human Nutrition at the Cleveland Clinic. How can you tell if you have inflammation in the body? Inflammation in the body is a reaction to a toxin or a foreign body that the body tends to attack. So that attack response creates inflammatory responses in our body that can be acute, meaning just short term, or can be chronic or long term. The chronic inflammation is the concerning kind, which leads to several disease states if not treated and handled well. Some people may not associate the symptoms they're experiencing with inflammation. Inflammation can present itself in many different ways. It can come in the form of body aches or muscle pain, migraine headaches, general headaches or fatigue, allergies, an allergic reaction to food or the environment. What is an anti-inflammatory diet? An anti-inflammatory diet is not a diet per se, but more of a style of eating. It is designed to reduce inflammation in the body, therefore entails whole foods, minimally processed foods, one-ingredient foods. When you think of one-ingredient foods, it can be a little bit confusing, but we really want to focus on very simple foods, such as an apple or grapes or avocado, chicken, extra virgin olive oil. So simple ingredient foods that you can place together to create a meal, but really want to focus on minimizing any processed ingredients. Now you can place all those whole foods together, such as in a chicken vegetable soup, where there's more than one ingredient, but everything that is put in that chicken vegetable soup are one ingredient items. What's the best way to start an anti-inflammatory diet? The best way to start an anti-inflammatory diet is to look at the foods you're currently consuming and focus on beginning to cut back on the processed foods, sugary foods, or sugary beverages that you're consuming. That is really the first step, is to pinpoint which foods are highly processed and could be contributing to the inflammation. A great example of an anti-inflammatory diet is the Mediterranean diet, because it really encourages omega-3 fatty acids. And we know through proven research that omega-3 fatty acids suppress inflammation. They combat that inflammation in our body. And omega-3s are mainly found in fatty fish, which is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. You don't have to specifically follow a Mediterranean diet, but that is one good example. Is there any way to figure out your specific triggers? Oftentimes, people may have specific triggers that trigger inflammation for their body. An elimination diet is really the best way to pinpoint what those food triggers may be for you. An elimination diet is where you eliminate what you feel may be the potential triggers for a period of time. I generally recommend at least 3 weeks where you completely eliminate the food from your diet. It can be tricky, it has to be very personalized. So I highly recommend seeking help from a health professional or specifically a registered dietitian. How can a dietitian help you on your journey? Registered dietitians do this all the time. So we really understand what ingredients and what foods could be triggers. We help give you guidelines and lists of foods to eliminate. We're there to support you throughout the way, and we're also there to help you understand your reaction to the food.